Locate the bulb you intend to replace.
We need to remove the mirror here, and the best bet is to kind of push it down so that you can kind of get your finger in over the top here, because right up top here it's really close to where it attaches, and I would just pull from the top like that and then kind of pivot it down and off.
Remove the bulb assembly by pulling it straight out. Pull the bulb to remove it from the socket. Insert the new bulb into the socket. You should feel it click. Reinsert the bulb assembly by pushing it straight in.
We're going to put the mirror back on. Now all you need to do to get the mirror back on is we have this circular area here. It's just going to attach to this part here. So what we want to do is kind of line it up, let's get it on there, and then push in the center of the mirror, and you'll hear it click when it's on there. And then a good thing to do is just kind of move the mirror. You can just kind of do it with your hands or go in the car and do it, and just make sure that it's working properly when you get that back on.